Good morning, my name is Marwan, and now I will talk about the impact of financial inclusion on economic growth, comparative study between USA and Egypt. This is my agenda: introduction, literature review, research design, analysis, research methodology, and conclusion. In my introduction, we have two definitions. First definition is a fintech. Fintech is a term that combines between finance and technology. It refers to any commercial operations that make use of technology to deliver financial solutions. Second definition, financial inclusion. Financial inclusion provides people with many services to help the people to use it anywhere they want, even if the users are from in different income levels. Literature review. First, new growth theory. New growth theory talks about the progress of technology as a product of economic activity. Schumpeter theory of innovation. Schumpeter theory of innovation, the concept of circular flow by Professor Schumpeter. It's not possible picture of an economic that has been phased out. Empirical analysis. We have three theories: private money theories, public money theories, and there is a contrast between them. System theories. First, the private money theories. This theory says that financial inclusion activities are supposed to be funded by using money. Public money theories contrast with the private money theories to be funded from government budget. System theory. The theory talks about the financial inclusion. Results are reached through an existing systems, for example, economic systems, social structure, and financial systems. Research design. First indicator, GDP growth rate in USA and Egypt. As we see, the GDP growth rate of Egypt is exceed GDP growth rate of USA, but percentage not everything. From 2008 to 2009, there is a great recession in USA due to financial crisis. And from 2010 to 2011 in Egypt, there is a great recession due to the 25 January revolution. In both countries, from 2019 to 2020, there is a recession, and a great recession in USA due to COVID-19. Okay. Individuals using the internet. As we see, individuals using the internet in USA is more than in Egypt. There is about 312 million internet users in USA, which make it one of the largest online marketplaces in the world. Okay. Domestic credit to private sector. As we see, domestic credit to private sector in USA is more than in Egypt, but in Egypt about 60% of employees are dependent on the private sector. Next. Broad money in USA and Egypt. As we see, there is no constant in both countries. Impact of financial inclusion in USA and Egypt. In Egypt, richer, better educated, older people are more heavily involved in financial sector. In USA, many American employees don't save any money each month. About 78% of Americans are living hand to mouth, like just enough money. And there is my regression model in USA. Y is the GDP, X1 domestic credit, X2 broad money, X3 individuals using the internet. Same as in Egypt, Y is a GDP, X1 domestic credit, X2 broad money, X3 individuals using the internet. Opportunities and the challenges. Opportunities. Fintech make transaction easier by electronic payment. Fintech may cause problem if it's used in wrong ways, so adults who have accounts don't tend to use it. They fear the loss of their money. Okay. Finally, conclusion. USA has an increase of 62% in the GDP by three variables: domestic credit, broad money, individuals using the internet, while in Egypt, 26% increase. The GDP of USA is 20.94 trillion, while in Egypt is 363.1 billion. Next, there is my references. Thank you.